Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai. All praise to Yahweh, Bahashim Yahushai, Bahashim Kakadash. The minds of the Apostle, Red Millstone, salutation to the elect. It's pushing this truth. So in today's video, I want to talk about patience. Alright. Patience is an extremely big quality you need to have. Alright, when you're in this truth. Alright. When your mind, okay, is open up to this truth, you need to be able to be patient in many aspects, okay? Because patience, alright, patience is what's gonna see us through, alright, all the way to the end, alright? But a bunch of bad things are going on, okay? And you're feeling weary in the spirit, you just want to give up, alright? It's not a good spirit to have, okay? You're supposed to be patient and wait when you're outside to return, okay? Now, this is a bullshit society, okay? You need to work a 9 to 5, you need to wake up early as hell, okay? And then you work all day, and then you come home, you might watch some TV, and it's a bunch of bullshit on TV, a bunch of wickedness, okay? And you go to sleep and do it all over again, alright? So this is a bullshit society, and obviously you want to get out of it, alright? But you have to wait. It doesn't matter what the hell you've been doing before. If you don't wait, then it doesn't matter what you've been doing before, like I said, alright? It doesn't matter that you've been pushing out. It doesn't matter how many videos you've been pushing out. It doesn't matter how much Hebrew you know. It doesn't matter if you give up, you don't have patience and wait for Yahushua to return, then you're destined for destruction. It doesn't matter. If you fall out, you're done. Okay? All that stuff is canceled. Alright? It's about who finishes the race. That's what it's about. You don't know who's saved until you're on that chariot. If you're on the chariot, you know you're saved. Alright? The Most High could do all of this. He could, which is very scary. He could, make you think that you're made of the Lord. Alright? You be doing all this stuff. And then you're going through Jacob's trouble all the way at the very end. Okay? When the nukes are being shut off and they're about to hit, then he doesn't save you. And then you burn up. That's scary, man. He could be saving you all the way to damn destruction. Alright? So you don't want to be in that lot. So all this time you thought you were saved, but then he gets you and then you get burned by the nuke. So it shows that you don't even, so you have no idea when you're saved. The only possible way you know you're saved when you're getting beamed up, okay, by the IFOs, alright? Which is ignorantly, stupidly called UFOs, alright? Call them IFOs because they're identified flying objects, alright? So you need to be patient and wait, alright, when Yahushua returns. Okay, you need to be a soldier, okay? So it says in scriptures. So let's get this one. This is 2 Peter 3:9. The Lord is not slack concerning his promise, so don't you dare ever think that he's slow, okay? Don't you dare think that he doesn't know what he's doing or he's off schedule. He's doing this perfectly, all right, in perfect tune, in perfect righteousness, all right? Don't you dare think, all right? The Most High is not thinking in terms of thinking about our well-being, okay? He's the one that protects and cares for us, all right? He controls us, all right? Okay, so you have to wait, okay? Who the hell are you to say, oh man, I wish it was faster. You don't have nothing. You have no say in this. All right. It's all about the Most High and the Son. All right. So don't you dare think the Most High is being slack in his promise, concerning his promise. Okay. As some men count slackness, but in long suffering, to us word, not willing that any shall perish, but that all should be to come, that all shall come to repentance. Okay? So the Most High knows exactly what he's doing, and he's perfectly on schedule, alright? There's a lot of things that need to come to pass, alright? The RFID microchip, alright, needs to be implemented, okay, which is the mark of the beast, okay? It's the 666, alright? That needs to be implemented, alright? FEMA camps, race riots, okay? different nations rising up against different nations. Okay, the United States is going to invade Iran, and that's one of the biggest prophecies to really show that it's evident of World War III. World War III being present. Okay, because it's already starting now, but it's not evident. Okay, so when America invades Iran, it's gonna be evident World War III is here. Okay, so there's a lot of things that need to come to pass. So you need to wait. Okay, you need to be patient. All right, you can't burn out in this thing. You need to have a perfect balance. All right, if you're unbalanced, you're wicked. Straight up. Okay, it's a wicked thing to be unbalanced. Okay, you have to have balance. You need to have a good level, spiritual level. All right, but you have to make sure that your carnal level is at its right meter too. Now, balance does not mean 50-50. It doesn't mean you do 50% spirituality and 50% carnality, because that's not the case. Okay, it has to be a perfect balance. Okay, all right. It's not like 50-50 you do carnal shit and 50-50 you do spiritual shit and stuff. No, that's not the case. All right, but you need to have a good balance. All right, because if you're too much, if you're over righteous, then you're gonna burn out. If you burn out, then there's nothing. Then you're done. You burned out. You have no more oil. All right, left in the lamp. All right, you have no more oil left to burn. All right, no more light to shine. Okay, because you're rushing it. You don't rush this. This is a slow race. Okay, this is a slow, detailed, and serious race. All right. So let's get more scriptures on patience. All right, so this is Hebrews chapter 10, verse 35. Cast not away, therefore, your confidence, which hath great recompense of reward. Okay? For verse 36. For ye have need patience, that after ye have done the will of Yahweh, ye might receive the promise. So if you're patient and wait, you will receive the promise that the Israelites were promised, that we were promised, okay? Which was to be the future rulers and joint heirs with Yahushai. Okay, the rulers of the earth, okay? Rulers of the universe, okay? Joint heirs with Yahushai. Okay? So okay. Alright, so it says, cast not, therefore your confidence, okay, your confidence and belief, don't cast it away, okay, because things are, because you don't see Yahushai yet, okay? Don't lose faith, don't lose confidence, alright? Still have strong confidence and conviction, understanding that Yahushua is coming, but you need to know that certain things that need to come to pass, alright? Stop being carnal and then start thinking, oh man, you just stop with that bullshit, alright? You know that there's things that need to come to pass. So why are you casting away your confidence? Alright? Don't do that. Alright? You need to be patient. If you're not patient, then it doesn't matter what the hell you've been doing before. It's all casted, it's all done. If you're not patient and you don't wait and you give up and you go back to the world, it doesn't matter what the hell you've been doing before. The Most High just wanted to bring you in just for the season and then just spew you out because he didn't give a damn. Okay? So let's get further understanding on this word, patience. All right. Salak. Okay. So, patience, steadfastness, all right, endurance, all right, a patient enduring, sustaining, all right. So you have to endure, okay, all right. Purpose and his loyalty to faith, all right. So you need to show loyalty to Yahweh Basham Shai, all right. You need to show that you're really about this, okay. Let's get some more scriptures on patience. Okay, so this is Luke chapter 8, verse 15. But that on the good ground are they which in an honest and good heart have heard the word, keep it, and bring forth fruit with patience. Alright? So, if you're growing in this thing and you're doing it the right way, okay, you're going to have patience. Alright? It says, have heard the word and kept it. Okay, keep it. So you need to keep it. It's not just about hearing it. Alright, it's also about keeping it. Alright, and keeping the statutes, which is being patient. Alright. So with that, I want to say Shalom, and I hope that was edifying.